Hi, Math 7. Here is your next Khan Academy. Equivalent expressions with negative numbers and distribution. So here's kind of what you're doing. It says which expressions are equivalent to this expression. Well, before we can figure out which ones are equivalent, we have to solve this equation. So let's distribute the negative 3. And as we distribute the negative 3, we get negative 6w. We get plus negative 18 plus our negative 4. Then we can combine like terms. Negative 18 plus negative 4 is negative 22. So we're looking for equations that are negative 6w minus 22. Well, this one is positive 6w minus 14, so that does not work. This one, we need to distribute the 2 to both of those terms. When we do that, 2 times negative 3w is negative 6w. 2 times negative 11 is your negative 22. You'll notice this equation here match. So there's our equivalent equation. Let's try one more. Okay, so here's this one. And here is our equation. We need to distribute this and combine like terms. So let's do that. 4 times negative 5z is negative 20z. 4 times 2 is 8. So as I write that out, I've got my negative 20z, my positive 8, and I still have my plus my negative 6. Now, like terms, there is only the negative 20z, so I'll record that right there. Positive 8 plus negative 6, so negative 6 will cancel 6 of those positives, leaving me with only 2 positives. So I'm looking for the equation that is negative 20z plus 2. Oh, look at letter A. It is so close, but it's not right. This one's a positive 20z and a minus 2, just completely the opposite of what we're looking for. This one here, let's distribute. 2 times negative 10z is negative 20z, and 2 times 1 is 2, so there's our negative 20z and our positive 2. Hey, look, this one and this one match exactly. So again, letter B is our answer for this one. That's how you do it, guys. You got to do a lot of solving, combining like terms. So good luck to you, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.